Hey guys, Annie Stacy here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where I share recipes on how to grow your hair naturally. And so in today's video, I'm going to share with you this amazing hair growth recipe or hair growth tea that you can use on your hair daily to maximize hair growth. So the first ingredient we're going to be using are black seeds. Black seeds, also known as kalonji seeds, are very effective for hair growth. They contain powerful antioxidants and antimicrobial properties which help to strengthen the hair follicles. They help to improve scalp health, reverse damaged hair, restrict hair fall, and also prevent premature gray. So yeah, that's what we are going to use first, and then next up we are going to be using some star anise seeds. So star anise has many therapeutic and cosmetic properties. The seed work amazingly for developing new hair as well as promote faster hair growth. It improves the scalp health. If you suffer from dandruff or dry, flaky scalp, then star anise can help with that. So yeah, because it does have antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. So yeah, it's very amazing for the hair, and if you break it, you're going to see the seeds in it. It also reduces excessive shedding and is also known to help with protection from and treatment of lice. So next up, we're going to be using ground cinnamon. Cinnamon contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which works by increasing circulation and blood flow to the hair follicles, which supports hair growth and prevents the hair and reduce excessive loss of hair, as hair loss is usually caused by not enough blood flow. So yeah, this helps with blood circulation. It also has antifungal and antimicrobial properties that help to treat dandruff. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead now and transfer all the ingredients into a jar. So for cinnamon, when you're using it or before you use it, you want to make sure you do a patch test because some people are allergic to that. So you just want to rub it inside your elbow and wait a couple of hours. If you have any skin irritation, then don't use it. If not, you can go ahead and use cinnamon on your hair or on your skin. All these ingredients work together to reduce excessive shedding and to strengthen the hair follicle, which in turn help to reduce hair fall and stimulate hair growth and hair regrowth of dormant follicles. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some hot water into the mixture. So I want to add I think I added about a cup of hot water or a cup and a half of hot water into the mixture, and I'll just go ahead and mix it so just to get the cinnamon powder dissolved in the water, so that it can properly absorb it. So just add a little more water, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cover that up and set it aside. And as usual, you don't want to close it when it's still piping hot, so I just let it cool for a while before I close it up, and this is how it looks. You're going to set it aside and leave it for about 24 hours. So it's over 24 hours, and now it's time for me to go ahead and prepare the tea. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and strain this tea because we want to use the tea, the infused tea. So I'm just going to use my strainer to strain that out. This is how the tea looks like, and when I'm done straining it, I'm just going to go ahead and transfer the tea into my applicator bottle or my spray bottle for easy application on my hair and scalp. So yeah, you can see some leftover cinnamon at the bottom just because of the strainer I used. So yeah, And now it's time for me to use this on my hair. So this is ready to be used, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my scalp first and then to the length of my hair. You want to apply in sections and massage it in. Yeah, massages are always important. It helps the product or the nutrients to penetrate your scalp and just increase blood circulation and blood flow to the scalp. So you want to make sure that every section of your hair is coated with the tea. So you can use this tea every day. In the evening, depending on when you have time, you just spritz your hair with the tea and then you oil your hair if you have to. So this is a daily spritz for stronger and healthier hair. And my hair is in mini twists. You don't have to take out your hair in order to apply this twist, in order to apply this tea, because I already have access to my scalp and my hair with this style I have on right now. So I'm just going to repeat the same process on the other side until all my hair is covered with the tea, and I'm just going to go ahead and twist that up. So this tea is going to help your hair if you're suffering from excessive shedding, like if you just comb your hair or if you notice your hair is shedding a lot more than usual. You use this tea, is going to reduce hair loss. It also works in reducing hair fall. It prevents premature graying. It helps to strengthen your hair. If you have weak and fragile hair like myself, it helps to strengthen your hair strands and just make them easy to be managed. So yeah, so it has so many amazing benefits and you can use it on a daily basis with no side effects. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found value in it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below and turn on post notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video on my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. So yeah, I'm just going to leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know in the comment sections below what kind of video you want to see next or any questions that you have. But right now I'll just have to say bye bye.